Hello, my name is Kanishka Rana and I'm a second year student at SIDTM with specialization systems and finance. I am a B.Tech graduate and a freshman. After completing my engineering, I decided to take MBA from SIDTM as it provides the perfect amalgamation of technology and business, and I was pretty sure to build my professional career in the same. In my first year, I joined the cultural committee of the college, which is Student Welfare and Fest Committee. Therein, I honed my skills in communication, time management, event management, and it gave me several opportunities to be on stage, which boosted my confidence a lot. Apart from this, classroom teaching not only imparted theory sessions, but assignments like group projects, business pitches, and case studies helped me improve my analytical skills, problem-solving skills, and decision-making skills too. After this, I did my life project and summer internship at the London-based niche technology company as a Growth Manager Intern. Therein, I learned a lot about the industry and the latest trends in AI and blockchain, and about sales and pre-sales. All these collective experiences of committee work, classroom teaching, live project, and summer internship helped me grab a great placement opportunity at world's leading CRM solution provider company as a pre-sales consultant. In the end, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the faculties of SIDTM, my seniors, my batchmates, my friends, and last but not the least, my parents for their immense support throughout this beautiful journey of 2 years. Thank you.